This is a quick how-to video of a 2013 Cadillac XTS transmission fluid change. Let's jump in. First, pop your hood and look down between the engine cover and battery box. You will see your transmission dipstick and fill tube. Unscrew counter-clockwise to remove. Next, we will go underneath the Cadillac on the driver's side to locate the transmission drain plug. Grab you a bucket or drain pan before removing the plug to catch the old fluid. Now, with an 11mm wrench or socket, remove the plug. Let the fluid drain to a drip. This fluid looks pretty dirty. We will make sure we let it drain as much as we can. Now that we are down to a drip, we can reinstall the transmission drain plug. Torque the plug to 9 foot-pounds. Be sure not to over-tighten because you can strip the threads in the transmission case. With some parts cleaner and a rag, clean the bottom of the transmission. Also, we will not be changing the filter because this is a sealed unit and would have to split the transmission in half to change. We can now add our transmission fluid. We will be using Mobil 1 full synthetic LVHP as you see here. Add 3 quarts of fluid, then start the engine. With the engine running and the transmission in park on level ground, start adding and checking the fluid level until full. Also, if you are experiencing a shudder in your transmission, then you will want to add a tube of instant shudder fix. Our transmission held close to 4.5 quarts to fill up. We are now ready for a test drive. Be sure to get the vehicle up to operating temperature, then check the fluid level again. Thank you for watching. Please give a like and subscribe.